And the people of Ghana, who to me your program no be about 10 views to pay, 100 views to pay. Now, determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, OK FMO, get the views. Nkwasiasɛm sɛbi Brumano Chesuna, so I just have to use that word for emphasis. Nkwasiasɛm a tro and Ghana, Takra or Jim, any tension, beba, any chaos, beba, no better, you want 1,000, 100 and something views.
So yes, sister Vhim lady, aba fire. In fact, we fire Captain Smart here pa. Would say we fire now. Kasi ni be makra. Ena wanya na asem a work na sa. Ni nyina eye asem ya oni se ne asem hit gumu a ama Ghana fo nyina ebuafu. Eno ena Vhim lady so edna no aba beto ensem ni na wo kire se ne captain aye no Nkwasiasɛm se eye eniamo ho nsem ena wo ye nanso me ma ye fa so boni na embo Captain Smart. Wo nyina ka ho bi. Journalists for nyina eka ho bi mu nyina contribute na ene Ghana ya babedu bebe edu. In fact sister Vhim lady e kan nsem ye pa woni video no ma me de ba be so mo me kai wo say aha e too much GA meso no subscribe my page na fi mi adoma no so se na e be na say upload bia ba unsa ebetimi akafe Prophet Dr. Bednego contact ene Obuasi hono fa na ene twetwe nkomo emfa sonsumu ha obi na mu a ohia mo an Prophet ebetimi aboa wo e wo sa kwan no so ebusua se ye bo ewra ensem ma beye de nanu nansane ene Ghana ha ne e trending na media no so eye Obuasi ene emabu na bowura ho AG wo se nka mo kwa kotufu mabudi e kwa kofa owene e de ba ya mabu ni bebre na afa so ahwe wo mo nkwa ensem ni ebeto monten so no ekoye ayemhwehye ene ehu e de Ghana for Emma bebre na eba bonte be kire wo madwene na no wo mo dodo na de subo e bo Captain Smart say ne nsem bia wo kokan no eno nam so e de ma emabunu akwakohwe makwanhie wi dodo na de wo ma no ato ensem no bi na nipa ba ko Ghana ha so de asem ba no wo kawiare bi se ne asem no ne kan ne akan wi no ene sister Vhim lady baba bonte aba be fire Captain Smart e kire say journalism na Captain Smart e practice no kwasem say enye sa journalism na e kire school no enu bi na wo ye no was media law and ethics na ye kire no e wo hefa ye free na Ghana fa eba bedu se be bia journalists meet na the platform so eka ensem a eni kwan se wo ka ene ensem a emfata na ensem a free no mutofo mo a onu anim se asem a making e betimi de ore na ba na so no waka busua ma yenko ne enko tese na Vhim lady esika ensem no efai
ye nyina we have contributed to it because Captain Adeoye we enabled him. I get TV3 nkwa na Captain Smart started side way yo waba angel or free Fox na buy Fox what happened? We were all around cheering him on. No fire for we were clapping for him to the extent that other radio station manager to make us say yes, captain, fire captain. Oh, Sammy come say you're too gentle on fire to say captain. We have lost our way. And that's why I'm apologizing to National Media Commission, George Saponini. We were part of the law to regulate the industry. And I said, there be Media Commission for is an affront to free expression. But free expression is so unlimited. Free speech is just a free speech has guidelines, regulations, has limits. You can't be limited free speech where they are going If one First Amendment free speech by and yet free bond to sao, and yet blanket check. It is heavily regulated. Ghana for number 2 categories, the citizens of Ghana. Because we have reduced Ghana and Sasam. We have made truth commercial. It is no credit asam. No credit asam. It is one over the asam already draw. Ube tientium, one already no credit. One over twisted facts. One when you okay. And we the people now you're consuming media no, we clap for people like that. We have enabled it. If you're not match no, media houses even to the time of oh yeah, say fire to say fire to say there is no regard for no credit. And the people of Ghana, who to me your program no be about says oh 10 views to pay, 100 views to pay. Now determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, OK FMO, get views. Nkwasiasɛm sɛbi bruma no chesum na so. I just have to use that word for emphasis. Nkwasiasɛm a ɛyɛ ntro ɛmo Ghana takra wo gym ɛdi tension beba ɛdi chaos beba no beba you have 1,100 and something views. And not Ghana for your pet. We so the media, every society, media and mirror the society in which it's kata to say no kata. Okay, me say what they call YouTube na call here. Call any media house, Facebook. Obi obeka as a same 3 views, 10 views, 1,000. You are 7 no, 1 million views. This is where we have reduced our society. Into captain you be blaming as a society, here reset of the brain, reset of our taste. Media and one owning politicians are now owning TV stations and radio stations. Sitting up a mammy bitches, they do know, which you got and only a human, GBC or Yabai. And some of the normally or more private one, but that's why media, private people. And maybe politicians are owning media house. Into their politician and our we know media houses that are owned by politicians. Politicians, even presenter cannot express a different opinion from owner. And it's all only MPP near was all radio station in also a cassette to me MPP for. So only NDC near I was so BOT radio station also cassette NDC. But to say that you will chase people out of town. Hey. And this is where we have come to. And comfortably, we the elections and comfortably to airport. And yes, what we have gold. I came here to sit here to say the Lord does not lie in your hands. Because we have to say lawlessness. No, we cannot encourage lawlessness. 15 people say if it is confirmed, because according to a small scale mining association for the letter, I'm saying 9 people are there. But Obuasi fancy 15 people. People you go for Papa no go for Branham. Wherever they come back no moment they are dead. And buying that's a year reset. Because when a buying crop for started so more young crop perceived a buying crop for because it can be that other people have also joined on within Nkwasiasɛm. But it perceived that but the government must have the balls to stop the people. A free NEPO, we must all sign a treaty. We must all I'll see a cantam vow. Who said free Enerico. We will make sure that party be open we need power. Their supporters will not do that. And the supporters try to do it. I was a party for hierarchy immediately at once must stop them. They must stop them. Free SHS near my Soko de Chito SHS Soko de now Obia could more reacting tomatoes. Yeah, the man Kolano, free SHS and Kolane and or we are the cop. Now, you are collapsing the nation because the same government that you are claiming you are for no government now better for no one send their tomato to replace what you have stolen. And more than Koforia. Nkofo have gone to Songo. Salt. We are pumping machines from one of the salt and Dumano. Are we sick? Which advanced democracy? Okokan. You will find Sabio Nkofobia, I don't know what form they will come and insult you. No cry answer. Truth is no longer truth. Obi can cry, young gather one page, and dinner time now shutting it down. Yeah, no, ye, or your background, your bobo. You better do what they were saying, and do what them. This is how low we have sunk as a nation. And we have, Yakokumko for my 9 people dead. Or shed the way they were killed. Send Vhim. And now me back from the video nature no say if you close to me to be right. I mean we are journalism. It's sad. Ya bo bitu man na na chia akosi na chi. Na na 360 degrees turn. Back on your body shoulder your body chi na be pie ne ha. Ha na tu. AK-47 the bower baby bullet be pie na etu of the ho. I survive it. But I say, you couldn't be partisan cook. And you can't blame the military. They are trained to fire. They were stationed on the property to guard life and property. Were mining company. They have not gone to anybody's concession. Baby. A security zone, a mining concession. So therefore, baby now mobile. So if anybody has trespassed, it is you, the people. Mosena, come there. Akwana no kasi me do nyame AGA former come there, yes, are you serious? AGA former come there, are you serious? AGA former say Omama come there, me do nyame me so me yes, we abema come adi omo. Ani akokumu no. Oni pa no one concession o protect it. Law on the chair say obi our right to protect life and property with reasonable force. Or to the baby on the cow. And I won't feel fear now about it. So, Mona more jump, ya the bad wire crack about more jump it. See, ya memma, ya bet Shramonia say, oh, ya bema chase soldier. And you're training to kill. Then the whole presenter say, we don't ya me chasing AGA. Who chasing to where?
Ete busunya sister Vhim lady nsɛm no na me dia ba besom na me di sɛ wo so wati asɛm ni bi nti bomu sɛ ne obɛka asɛm na siafa ma me hu sɛ ne wogye no ɛwɔ comment no asafe no me subscribe button no so ɛde ama me ɛyɛ too much gh ɛyɛ akai sɛ wode bɛ on bɛka ho sa no upload bi atomo a only first person na wo sa betimi aka all the social media handles so ko wa ɛyɛ too much gh ɛyɛ akai sɛ won so bɛ like no wa share ama wo nua bi so nya bi ahwɛ makra